Hey, this is Justin from CFAS with another how-to. Today's episode, how to check a Reeves. So, in FA2, the Reeves is right behind the driver compartment. And in FA3, it's on the furthest passenger side behind the splints. One way to remember it is they're always next to the CPR oxygen, and that's on purpose. So for your CPRs, you grab your extra O2 tank, and then your Reeves is there too, so you grab them at the same time. So you start off by unbuckling it, taking it out, and we'll head to the floor. First step, open it up, spread it out. There should be a half folded sheet in here. The purpose for that is to move a patient. You can slide a patient on it if they're not positioned correctly on this on the Reeves. And you got 3 straps here. You want to test the straps. It's important to think about how you're going to use this in the field. So, as you know, the top of the Reeves and the bottom of the Reeves are interchangeable. So this could be at the feet on one call, and depending on how you grab it, it might be the head. So you want to test the straps accordingly. What I mean by this is, I like to start with one side, and I'll test these across on both ends. I'll click them and give them a tug, make sure they don't come out. I'll do this end, and then I'll go to this end and do the same thing. So if either end is set up for the feet, I know that both straps work. Then, as we know with the Reeves, we cross the top straps. So if this end was the top, I'm going to cross the straps, give a tug. That would be good. Now, I simulate this side. This side was the top. I'm going to cross the straps this way in our X pattern here. And here. Same thing, tug. So we're good. Take all the slack out and lay them nicely here. Tuck my buckles in and fold my ends. Then roll it up. Place my strap. You're done. That's how you check a Reeves.
First time's the charm.